white onion, ginger. So I'm going to use all my vegetables before it's going to be or to get old. So I'm using everything. So yes, you know what, it smells good. Now I'm going to put my potato, all the hard veggies first. I hope that's some flavor. Oh no, I forgot to put my garlic first. I have to put the garlic first. Okay. I'm so excited to put the potato. But anyway, it's better also that you put the garlic. Because or else it will get burned. So then carrots and pumpkin. This is carrot and pumpkin. Just one medium size of carrots and quarter of pumpkin. Okay. So we need this kind of vegetables, colorful, because it's going to boost our immune system, especially nowadays that we should be healthy. So the pumpkin, the carrots, the potato are already there, and then I'm gonna put this capsicum, or call that this red bell pepper, and then the red one. So colorful, guys, and we all need this kind of veggies in our body. And this capsicum or bell pepper it has lots of vitamin C. So I still have here the zucchini. The zucchini. One zucchini and I slice it, of course. So lots of vegetables. So before it's going to get old, we have to use it, or else you're wasting your money. So that's here. So you have to add some peppers. Put some pepper in it. I will add more later. And salt. Another salt. You have to mix it to combine all the flavor. So I'm going to put also a teaspoon of paprika. I think another one. We can measure what, a teaspoon paprika, and then you have to mix it to combine all the flavors. So I'm also going to put some curry powder. This is mild onion. It's not mild, it's just curry powder. Yeah, another one, a teaspoon. That's it, and then you have to stir and to combine. And I have to this is a mixture of coconut milk. You have to, and then water. I have the pure one in there without water mixture, without water. So I will do it. I will put this one, that one later. So because I just boil this, or let the the veggies cook first before I'm going to put the pure or the pure coconut milk without water. Okay, so I have to put cover and then let it cook for a few minutes. Okay, I'll get back to you later. Okay, bye. Or not yet, bye. Okay, so boiling, but not the vegetables not yet cooked. So I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar, just 1 teaspoon of this, or white vinegar, any vinegar, because I want that sourness of our curry soup or curry vegetables. I don't know what they call this kind of recipe, but that's it. I'm just using all the vegetables that I have in the fridge before it's going to get out. Okay, so that's it. So lids on, and you have to get back later. I think this one is already cooked. Everything is cooked, and some of them is already very sweet, but anyway, that's what I really like. You're wondering why is it that I didn't put any meat or chicken or fish. I have here a leftover roast chicken here. I didn't put that in there because it has a tendency that this leftover chicken will become leathery. So I'm going to put this one after everything is cooked. So now I'm going to add this pure coconut milk, and then have to stir it. Okay, and I have to put a bit of salt, just a little bit of salt, just it. And then I'm going to put the last vegetables, is the bok choy or pichay in the Philippines. We call this pichay in the Philippines, but in other country they call it bok choy. So this one, because the carrots, the potato is already cooked, so this one is the last vegetables that you're going to cook. So I didn't put too much pepper because the ginger is already spicy, so no need, just a little bit before. And now I'm going to cover it and then put the heat in a very low mood, like this. Okay. Oh, this is cooked already. So the bok choy is already cooked, and we just taste it. It's perfect, very perfect, guys. So the curry vegetables is already cooked. The roast chicken, the leftover roast chicken, I'm going to put that one if we are ready to eat. Okay, so by now I'm going to off this one, but it's really tastes good. So if you have lots of vegetable in your fridge, cook it like this. And if you have also a leftover chicken, fish, or meat, you can have that one beside this and with a cup of rice. Okay, so this is all done, guys. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to off your cooktop. So I'm going to off it. So, and stay this to keep it warm.
rice, and of course the curry vegetables. Yeah, you know what, guys? It's so delicious and very healthy too. So a rice and a curry vegetables, and of course we're going to get the leftover chicken. Either you put it on top and mix it, or you just put it beside your rice. Okay, I'll get it. So here's my leftover chicken. So if you want to put some herbs in it, you can do that. So if you want more, still have it in here and get some. So this is very yum yum yum. So this is my food for my lunch. So a leftover chicken and a vegetable, a curry vegetables, okay, and a cup of rice. And don't forget also your water. Okay, so I'm going to give it to my husband. So I think he want more chicken. One more chicken there. Yeah, because we don't reheat this one, because if you only keep on reheating, I think the bacteria will, and besides also it makes the leftover chicken leathery too. Okay, so that will good, because this one is very hot. Look at that one, very yummy with lots of vegetables in it. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.